A very good morning, aspirants. Welcome back to our channel MPSC Easy Learning, and this is Advocate Sabira Mistry. In today's lecture, we'll be studying one document of Maharashtra government which is extremely important from your exam perspective. ये एक ऐसा डॉक्यूमेंट है जो आप पढ़ने के बाद आपके इकोनॉमिक्स के भी क्वेश्चन टैकल हो जाएंगे, करंट अफेयर के भी क्वेश्चन टैकल हो जाएंगे और ज्योग्राफी के भी क्वेश्चन टैकल हो जाएंगे. But students don't study this document primarily for two reasons. पहला रीजन ये है कि स्टूडेंट्स को पता ही नहीं होता है कि दिस डॉक्यूमेंट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट और ऐसा कुछ है भी दुनिया में. एंड सेकेंड रीजन ये है बिकॉज इन दिस डॉक्यूमेंट देर आर सो मेनी डेटा, देर आर सो मेनी नंबर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स फेल टू रियलाइज कि कौन सा इम्पॉर्टेंट है एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से और कौन सा नहीं. तो क्या करते हो, पूरा ही छोड़ के चले जाते हैं. If you see in the paper, you will find 3 to 4 questions from this document and students fail to score such easy marks. ये आपके brownie points. The document is none other than Economic Survey of Maharashtra. In today's lecture, I have made an attempt to make it extremely easy for you in a simplified manner and give you the data like a spoon feeding. I will provide you the data. आप वो भी पढ़ के जाएंगे, आपका I can assure you questions tackle हो जाएंगे. So with this, let's start with the lecture. So if you see, the economic survey is broadly divided into 10 parts. आपको इसमें महाराष्ट्र का फिजियोग्राफी, the state इकोनॉमी कैसी चल रही है महाराष्ट्र की. You will also find public finance, agriculture, industry, infrastructure, social sector जो आपका education है, poverty है, कैसी चल रही. All of these data you will find in this document. So in today's lecture, we'll be covering overview of the state. That is chapter 1 or content number 1. Let's dive right into it. First is overview of the state. इधर क्या लिखा है? That Maharashtra occupies the western and central part of India. This is important. Question ऐसे आ सकते हैं like which area does Maharashtra occupy of India? So it is western and central part of India. And if you see, the coastline is 720 kilometer long. Again an important data, 720 kilometer, and it is surrounded by Arabian Sea over here. Right? This is your Maharashtra and this is your Arabian Sea. एंड अगर ये पूछा जाए इन एन ऑर्डर लाइक कौन सा स्टेट नॉर्थ में है, कौन सा साउथ में है, सो हियर यू हैव गुजरात टू द नॉर्थ वेस्ट, यू हैव मध्य प्रदेश टू द नॉर्थ, यू हैव छत्तीसगढ़ टू द ईस्ट एंड तेलंगाना इन द साउथ ईस्ट, कर्नाटका टू द साउथ एंड गोवा, ये आपका छोटा सा है गोवा, गोवा इज इन द साउथ वेस्ट. सो नाउ द ट्रिक टू रिमेंबर दिस इज गुजरात में 36 तेल कार्गो. द ट्रिक इज गुजरात में 36 तेल कार्गो. लाइक इफ यू सी ये है आपका नॉर्थ, राइट, ये है आपका साउथ, ये है आपका ईस्ट और ये है आपका वेस्ट. दिस विल बी योर नॉर्थ वेस्ट and this will be your south east and this will be your south west. And if you see आपका जो वेस्ट है ना, ये आपका अरेबियन सी है. सो इफ वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम नॉर्थ वेस्ट, वो है आपका क्लॉकवाइज. सो हियर यू विल हैव गुजरात में से क्या आएगा, में से आएगा मध्य प्रदेश, 36 तेल कार्गो, वो है आपका गोवा. तो गुजरात, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, तेलंगाना, कर्नाटका एंड गोवा. सो इससे आपको क्लियरली एग्जाम में भी याद रह जाएगा कि ओके विच स्टेट इज टू द नॉर्थ ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, विच स्टेट इज टू द नॉर्थ ईस्ट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, ऑल ऑफ दिस. सो द ट्रिक इज गुजरात में 36 तेल कार्गो. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इंपॉर्टेंट ओवर हियर इज there are 36 districts and 6 revenue divisions in Maharashtra. I have put up a map over here of Maharashtra. So these are the 36 districts. And if I tell you कौन से 6 revenue division है, so ये 6 revenue division के भी एक ट्रिक है. It is KP नान जो आप बटर चिकन के साथ खाते हैं. K stands for कोंकण, okay? P stands for पुणे और अभी आ रहा है आपका नान. N stands for Nashik. You have one more A. A stands for Aurangabad. One more A. A stands for Amravati. and N stands for Nagpur. These are your 6 revenue divisions. ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है. The trick is KP Nan. And if I say about the states में how did we learn? It is गुजरात में 36 तेल कार्गो. Next one. अभी इससे ये इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है इन रिगार्ड्स टू महाराष्ट्र स्टेट. दिस इज एन एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर ऑल्सो इन महाराष्ट्र ज्योग्राफी. यू विल फाइंड क्वेश्चंस ऑन दिस टॉपिक एवरी ईयर और एवरी ऑल्टरनेट ईयर. सो फर्स्टली वी नीड टू नो महाराष्ट्र स्टेट का फॉर्मेशन कब हुआ था. द स्टेट वॉज फॉर्म्ड ऑन 1st May 1960. ओके, प्लीज रिमेंबर द ईयर ऑल्सो 1960. सिर्फ फर्स्ट में याद करके मत जाइएगा बिकॉज देन इन द ऑप्शन नो दे हैव 1950, 1970 और फिर आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. सो इट इज 1st May 1960. और 1960 में कितने डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स थे? 1960 में थे 26 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स. एंड जस्ट नाउ वी सॉ इन द डेटा अभी करंटली कितने डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स है? अभी करंटली है 36 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स. एंड व्हेन द महाराष्ट्र स्टेट वाज फॉर्म्ड तभी थे आपके 4 डिवीजन और अभी कितने हैं? अभी है 6 डिवीजन. एंड व्हाट वाज द ट्रिक? इट इज केपी नान, बटर चिकन वाला नान. केपी नान. के स्टैंड्स फॉर कोंकण, पी स्टैंड्स फॉर पुणे, एन स्टैंड्स फॉर नागपुर, ए स्टैंड्स फॉर औरंगाबाद, अगेन वन ए स्टैंड्स फॉर अमरावती एंड द लास्ट ए स्टैंड्स फॉर नासिक. तालुकास again a very important point. If you see 1960 तभी थे आपके 229 तालुकास. And if you see currently कितने तालुकास है महाराष्ट्र में? So it is 358. हमने कोस्ट लाइन भी देखा था. कोस्ट लाइन कितना है महाराष्ट्र का? It is 720 किलोमीटर. These two data are extremely important. ये भी आता है आपके पेपर में. जो नॉर्थ साउथ एक्सटेंट है मतलब नॉर्थ से साउथ में कितना किलोमीटर है? So it is 720 किलोमीटर. और अगर मैं पूछूं ईस्ट वेस्ट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र कितना किलोमीटर है तो वो है आपका 80 किलोमीटर. अभी हमने ये डेटा पढ़ लिया. सो नाउ लेट्स अप्लाई द डेटा एंड लेट्स सी कि इस पे से क्वेश्चन आते हैं कि नहीं. और एम आई जस्ट सेइंग इट? सो if you see in the previous years there are questions on this topic. Like I told you, the geographical extent of Maharashtra. Okay, the geographical extent of Maharashtra is how much? It is 307713 kilometer. So this is your answer. Next data, the state of Maharashtra was formed on which date? ये भी अभी हमने पढ़ा and I specifically asked you, please remember the year also. आप सिर्फ date मत पढ़ के जाइएगा, otherwise in the paper when you see they have shuffled the years and you will get confused. So is it 26th of January 1960? No, this is not the answer. Second is 15th August 1947. 47? No. Second one is 1st May 1950. Is it in 1950? No. Here it is 1960. Right? So आपका आंसर क्या हो जाता है? Option 4, none of these. The state of Maharashtra was formed on 1st of May 1960 and not 1950. Next one. The length of Maharashtra state from east to west. East to west कितना है? 800. 600 kilometer? No. 700? No. 720? No. How much? 800. This is important. Next one. This question was asked in Rajya Seva prelims of 2021 in regards to 1960. This is the only reason why I gave you a brief outline of तालुकास तभी कितने थे अभी कितने, because इस पे भी questions आते हैं. So if you see the state of Maharashtra with Mumbai was established on 1st May 1960. This is right. How many districts and talukas were there in newly created Maharashtra state? So if we see in regards to districts and talukas, हमने क्या पढ़ा था? 1960 में if I tell you talukas कितने थे? 229. और currently कितने हैं? 358. Right? And if I ask you in regards to कितने थे? तभी थे 26 और अभी currently कितने हैं? So currently you've got 36 districts. So 26 to 36. And they have asked 1960 districts and talukas. You had 26 districts. Our data is right. And how many talukas? You had 229 talukas. So उससे हो जाता है आपका option D. Where do you find option A and D? In option 3. So that is your right answer. If we move on, then you have some data in regards to area and population. This is also very important data. You will find questions on area and population even in your paper. So if you see in population wise, which is the most populous state in India? It is Uttar Pradesh. Then you have got Maharashtra. The third rank goes to Bihar. The fourth rank goes to West Bengal and the fifth rank goes to Madhya Pradesh. You need to remember all five. They can ask you a question on this on the basis of place these states in descending order on the basis of population. So you need to know the first five, at least in descending order. Then you have in terms of area. Area is also very important. आपके पेपर में area से भी question आते हैं. So if we see area, which is the biggest state or the largest state in terms of area, ये है आपका राजस्थान, right? Then you have got Madhya Pradesh. Second rank goes to Madhya Pradesh and third rank goes to Maharashtra. But if you see on the terms of population, Maharashtra ranks second. But if you see on the terms of area, कौन सा सबसे बड़ा state है, तो वो है आपका Maharashtra on the third rank. Then you have got UP and then you have got Gujarat. This is an extremely important data. That is the reason I have marked over here that the state ranks second by population and third by area. Now let us see if questions on this topic have been asked. So here, arrange the following order to the descending order. Like I told you, ऐसे questions आते हैं पेपर में. And choose the correct sequence. हमने क्या sequence पढ़ा था? First था आपका राजस्थान, right? Second कौन सा था? Second था आपका MP and third was Maharashtra. So here if you see Rajasthan, B पहला आएगा descending order, बड़े से छोटा पहले आएगा राजस्थान. Then what did we study? मध्य प्रदेश. मध्य प्रदेश कहाँ है? E. So B, E and then you have got Maharashtra at C. आपको B, E, C किधर दिख रहा है? You are seeing B, E, C over here, right? And after Maharashtra you have got Uttar Pradesh and then you have got Jammu Kashmir. So these are the top 5. Okay. Next question. Which of the following state has more geographical area? Means जो 4 option दिए from the 4 options, which state has the largest area? The first one is Rajasthan, second one is Maharashtra, third one is Uttar Pradesh and the fourth is Andhra Pradesh. We all know which is the biggest state in terms of area. ये है आपका राजस्थान. Next point which is important in the overview, one point is given that there are 3 Ramsar sites. What are the names? This is an extremely important data from Maharashtra perspective. ये आपके current affair के questions में आ सकते हैं, right? So ये है आपका नंदूर मधमेश्वर, okay? नंदूर मधमेश्वर. And if they ask you where is Nandur Madmeshwar located, Nandur Madmeshwar is located at Nashik. Okay. Second one is Lonar crater in Buldhana district. All of us know this, Lonar. And where is Lonar located? In district. It is Buldhana. And the third is Thane Creek. So in Maharashtra, if you see, you have got 3 Ramsar sites. And technically, if you see from current affair perspective, total India में कितने sites है अभी? 75, right? And if you see which state has the most Ramsar sites, it is the state of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu ranks first. This also can be asked from current affair perspective. And Tamil Nadu में कितने हैं? 14 of them. You need to know if they are saying Nandur Madmeshwar. Where is Nandur Madmeshwar located? It is located at Nashik. Lonar कहाँ पे है? Lonar Lake. वो है आपका बुल्ढाना में. And if you see Thane Creek, it is located at Thane. इस पे questions, this kind of questions have been asked. Which lake, the dash lake, has been formed due to a meteoric fall? Is it Chilka, Lonar, Sambar or Pulicat? Your answer is Lonar. Lonar Lake has been formed due to a meteoric fall. And where is it located if they ask you? तो वो है आपका बुल्ढाना. This is extremely important. The last data from the overview of the state, which is extremely important, is renames. Like some districts have been renamed. So here what you need to know, ये districts के जूने नाम क्या है and what are their new names. So the first district which has been renamed is Aurangabad. And what is the new name of Aurangabad? The new name of Aurangabad is Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Right? If I say the second district which has been renamed, it is Osmanabad. And what is the new name? It is Dharashiv. One more district recently has been renamed. It is Ahmednagar. And if I ask you what is the new name of Ahmednagar, it is Ahilyabai Holkar Nagar. If we do a brief revision of what we studied today, in clockwise, if I ask you what are the which are the neighboring states of Maharashtra, इसका ट्रिक क्या था? हमने पढ़ा था गुजरात में 36 तेल कार्गो. गुजरात, मध्य प्रदेश, 36 से छत्तीसगढ़, तेल से तेलंगाना, कार से कर्नाटका और गो से गोवा. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड इफ आई आस्क यू रामसर साइट्स, टोटल कितने रामसर साइट्स है इंडिया में? 75. टोटल रामसर साइट्स कितने हैं महाराष्ट्र में? यू गॉट 3 रामसर साइट्स इन महाराष्ट्र. द फर्स्ट वन इज, इफ आई आस्क यू टू नेम देम, द फर्स्ट वन इज नंदूर मधमेश्वर. वेयर इज नंदूर मधमेश्वर लोकेटेड? इट इज लोकेटेड एट नाशिक. Where is Lonar crater? Where is that lake located? It is located at Buldhana. And Lonar lake has been formed by meteoric fall. And the third one is Thane Creek. And if I ask you from current affair perspective, so which state has the most number of Ramsar sites? It is Tamil Nadu. Kitne hai? 14 hai. Okay. These were certain important points from the overview of the state. In the next lecture, we'll be studying state income. तब तक आप ये जो first chapter है वो आप clearly पढ़ के आ जाइएगा. I hope you have liked today's lecture, and if you have any constructive suggestion, demands or doubts, do let us know in the comment section. I will definitely look into it. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have a great day ahead. Jai Hind.